Hello girls, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the ICOICE contact lenses. I'll be trying on a pair of blue, gray, green, brown, and purple contact lenses. No filters, just real looks. We're going to see how they look on my eyes, which are brown. Yes, they brown. So, if you don't want to miss any details, make sure to keep watching until the end. So, let's get started. As you can see, I got this little box. I love the box. It's so beautiful. Let's open it. Okay. Oh my god, look at everything it comes with. So I'm in love with the packaging. It's so beautiful, isn't it? All right, let's see what we have here. Let's start with these little boxes and their tweezers that will help us to put on the contact lenses. They are so beautiful. Now let's move on with this little card. It's basically an instruction manual that explains step by step how to put on the contact lenses and how to remove them. I love it. It's so beautiful and I think it's going to be very useful. I love the little drawings. If you don't know how to put in contact lenses, this manual will be super helpful. Next, we have these small boxes with cute animal designs. They are so beautiful. This is the bear, and this is the cat, the bunny, and the beautiful puppy. They're super cute. 10 out of 10 for the packaging. These are the tweezers that will be super useful for putting on our contact lenses. And these little cuties are the cases for each pair of contact lenses. You can open them from the top and bottom, so you can store each lens separately. They come in different colors: yellow, light blue, purple, and green. The case design is a cat. Oh my gosh, they are so cute! Let's try on each pair of contact lenses. They come in these little pretty boxes. Alright, let's open this pair first. Let's move on to the first pair of lenses. Oh my gosh, girls, what is this? Just look, my eyes completely changed. These are New York Green. I love the name and I absolutely love them. They feel super comfortable and I'm obsessed with the emerald green color they have. I would definitely wear them for everyday use or even for an important party. They would look incredible. I feel like this part really makes the eyes stand out. Here, I'll leave you the before and after so you can see the big difference. Now, let's go with the second pair of lenses, Sora Gray, and wow, they look super pretty and very natural. They're very comfortable to wear, and I would definitely use them for everyday wear. I love them so much. They look so beautiful. Let's move on to the third pair of lenses, and oh my goodness, they are definitely my favorites. Oh my gosh, I would definitely wear them for a romantic dinner. I assure you that guy will fall head over heels with these lenses. Here's the difference with and without the lenses. They look super cute. I'm definitely in love, girls. Wow. Now let's go with these ones called Cocoa Light Blue. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. The color looks very natural. I will definitely wear them for everyday use. If you have brown eyes and want blue contact lenses, these are perfect for you. I think they look very natural, ideal for everyday wear. They're also super comfortable. I really love them. They look super natural. I have to say, this is my first time using contact lenses, and honestly, they were super easy to use and very comfortable. I love how they look on my eyes, and I'm sure that if you have brown eyes, these contact lenses will look amazing on you. Here's the difference with and without the lenses. Wow, it really is a big difference, right? Highly recommended. 10 out of 10. Now for the last pair of lenses, these are Barbie Violet. They're beautiful and very comfortable. The lens color looks different because I have a very strong white light in front of me, which is why they appear more blue, but in natural light they look purple. Later on, I'll leave you a clip with only natural light, and you'll see that they look purple. These lenses are ideal for makeup, cosplay, anime, social media photos, special events like Halloween concerts, etc. And this is the clip. As you can see, they look very, very purple. Okay, so they look so amazing, really beautiful. I love the color. Amazing. And they're very comfortable too. I love the ICOICE brand because they offer prescription lenses. They last up to 1 year after opening. And something else I really like is that they are approved by the FDA and CE. Remember to use my code for an exclusive 20% discount. All the information about the contact lenses is in the description of this video. Oh my gosh, what can I say? I definitely in love with these contact lenses. I'm in love. I'm in love. They are so beautiful. I loved all the contact lenses. Definitely. Remember to use my code to get a special discount. And I'll see you in the next video.